Yo, it's your boy Meets Two Times in the building, Mr. Get Right to Get Left, and welcome back to another episode of Real Talk with M2X, man. Hey, y'all see the time, man. I just wanted to hop on and make this video real quick because I got this beautiful view behind me. Let me show y'all. Beautiful view behind me. In Western Maryland, you got the nice mountains in the back. But yeah, I just spooked too there, and I don't know the next time I'm going to see it there, so I just decided I'm going to make this video real quick, man. And yeah, I'm gonna hop on and talk to y'all. First off, I want to thank y'all so much, man, for showing support to my last video. Right now, we have 50K views. We hit 1,000 subscribers last night. We're like 50. We're so close to 2,000 subscribers, which is insane. How fast I'm growing, bro. So I just want to thank y'all for that and showing all the support. Anybody who joined the Telegram, we got almost 200 people in there, man. Y'all feel me? You feel me? There's so much shit happening right now, but yeah, I want to get that out of the way. Thank y'all. But yeah, I want to talk to y'all about some shit, bro. Especially regarding my last video, not the one about how porn ruined my life, and it actually does have the tie into that, man. What I want to say is, bro, everything happens for a reason, man. Everything in life happens for a reason, bro. And I'm gonna tell y'all why. And I'm gonna give y'all an example, actually. So when I made that video, porn ruined my life, bro. After that video, I literally broke down in my car crying, bro, because it was just like, it's a whole bunch of things how like my life been lately, and it's like a lot of trauma or childhood trauma coming back affected me. So I broke down in my car crying because like, damn, I don't got nobody to run to. And you feel me? I've been trying on YouTube, different things, different niches for so long. You feel me? I've been trying to just be successful, bro. Like, I ain't have a father to look up to or ask questions, bro. So trying to be successful with, one, not a supportive family, and two, not having anybody to ask for help, bro. It's like, that shit is draining. But, yeah, when I'm tying in and everything happens for a reason. The main reason I made that video is because, bro, like, as y'all know, like, I was trying to get it up with the girl. I had to keep explaining with her. So damn, I made that video, and the next day or the next 2 days, or I don't know how many days after that, I made that other video of me telling her, like, look, I don't think it's best that we talk. I need to work on myself. And this is not me bashing anybody or bashing her or nothing, but I don't know if y'all could tell about how the energy about when we talked or something like that. Y'all didn't get the full conversation, but pretty much she was just nonchalant about it. So damn, God was telling me, like, look, bro, I mean, not look, bro, but like, look, you gotta make sacrifices in order to grow. And it's showing, bro, because like I went back on Hinge, last night, and I already see she updated her shit. She was all on some, like, just updated her shit, basically looking for somebody else. And that shit made me feel some type of way at first because, like, I don't expect nobody to wait for me, but we was talking and getting serious for 3 months, bro. 3 months. Taking you out on dates and not just looking at you for sex. And I didn't ask for her body count, but she told me out of the blue, because I was saying some shit like, yeah, I know girls usually lie about their body count. Whatever they say, you multiply it by 2. So they say 4, it's 8. If they say it's 8, it's 16. But I was joking. She was like, do you want to know my body count? I said, nah, I don't really care. I don't want to, you feel me? That causes problems. I said, but if you want to tell me, you can. I'm not stopping you, but I really don't want to know. So she told me 1, and I'm like, hold up, we had sex before. Me and you had sex before. And I was like, 1. She's like, oh, no, 2. So basically, she told me I was her second body, which I'm not going to say she was lying, but if you opened up your temple for me and allow me to be the second person you slept with other than a relationship that you was in, it shouldn't be that easy to move on and hop right back on Hinge, bro. Like, that shit was like, damn. Like, it was eye-opening just because, like, damn, I was naive to situations and shit like that. But, and I say all this because I had so much doubt and so much worry, like, damn, like, what is she talking to other people? But I was trying not to let that get the best of me, because that's what ruined past relationships. And that's why I called out the relationship, because that's one of the things I need to work on is trust. But I realized if I would have never lost her, would have never had that conversation, and we would have had sex that night, I would have never made that video probably, and my channel wouldn't be growing how it's growing right now, bro. Honestly. It was a sad moment, embarrassing moment that I couldn't get hard and couldn't perform with somebody I liked. But that was God telling me, giving me a sign, yeah, don't do this. I got something better in store for you. And that's why I made that video. I made that video and it's at 50,000 views, bro. And it's crazy, like I said, how we growing and stuff. And people are DMing me, asking me questions like, I always knew God gave me a gift. God gave everybody a gift, bro. You just have to find it. And my gift was my voice, bro. I know it sounds simple, but my gift was my voice. Some people's gift with their voice is singing, preaching and stuff. But mine is like inspiring other people, you feel me, who are open to listening. Like, when I was working at my last job, one of my coworkers was like, bro, you always preaching. And I'm like, I mean, yeah, I just be trying to help people better their life, because I'm trying to do the same. And they're like, I'm gonna call you Meets the Preach. Really, I was gonna name my channel that, Meets the Preach, but, or Meecher the Preacher or something like that. But like, I'm sitting here realizing stuff is like, everything, even if it's bad in your life, happens for a reason. Everything has to happen for a reason. It's not gonna be all peaches and cream, bro. It's not. But in the end, it's going to. Like, you feel me? If I would have never, like I said, if that situation would have never happened that night, I would have never made that video, and I would have never had the courage to tell her, look, I need to focus on myself. And I would have never made that video, and my channel wouldn't be going how it is right now, bro. So if y'all feeling like you need to sacrifice things in order to grow or something, like I said in my I Have No Friends video, you have to let people go in order to grow. And it's not just people, it's relationships, it's things, it's grudges, it's anything, bro. If you feel like something's holding you back, let it go. Even if it's hard, and you know letting it go is gonna be hard, but you know deep down it's better for you, bro, do that shit, bro. I'm a prime example. Because no matter what religion y'all believe in, bro, Christianity, Islam, anything, bro, if you believe there's a higher power, you know that they're gonna bless you once you make hard sacrifices, bro. So I just want to hop on here and tell y'all, like, look, bro, anything going on in your life, if you feel like it's holding you back, and you know deep down, if you sacrifice that thing, whether it be sex, whether it be weed, whether it be anything, bro, do it, bro. Because your life is gonna get better in time, bro. Like I said, that instant gratification from watching porn, that instant gratification from having sex, you know, that shit is gonna make you feel like shit afterwards, bro. But now I'm making videos, taking time out of my day to inspire other people. It's taking more time, it's delayed, but it's giving me gratification it's giving me more gratification than watching porn, bro. Even hunting right now, bro. Like, I'm out here freezing my ass off. I got my rifle right there. And, you know, I may get skunked today, I may get something today, but in the end, it's not even about where you're going. It's the journey getting there. Like, you know, right now, I could kill a deer right now, but I know if I wait longer, something bigger will come out. And when I kill it, I'm gonna be like, damn, this was a whole journey and I enjoyed it. Instead of like, oh, I see a deer on the side of the road, just shoot it and boom. Yeah, it's gonna be cool, but I'm not gonna value it as much as something that I took my time. I woke up at 4:30 in the morning today, bro, to like 4 hours of sleep. You know how hard it was to get out of bed? But no, I said, no, that's the enemy trying to keep me in the bed, bro. So I said, no, I'm gonna get the strength. And I got out of bed. Guess what? My car battery was dead. I could have went back to sleep. I'm like, damn, nope, my truck battery's dead. No, you know what I did? I got my mother's car, jump started my car. And I made it out here, bro. All these obstacles that I overcame, I know it's gonna pay off, whether I get a deer or not. At least I just seen two. That's a good sign. But it's not even about just killing a deer. That's what people don't get about hunting. I don't go out here just to kill things. I go out here for the journey, the experience, to tap in with my ancestral self, bro. Native Americans used to be in these same woods as me, bro, hunting, living off the land, bro. They weren't stressed as much as us. They weren't addicted to all these quick dopamines, bro. So with this video, bro, I'm gonna let y'all know, like, just remain yourself, remain true to yourself, bro. If something is hard to let go, 9 times out of 10, that's what you have to let go in order to grow, bro. Because like I said, everything happens for a reason. Everything happens for a reason. You have to go through some kind of burden. So with that being said, man, thank y'all again for everything. We're gonna continue to grow. I'm gonna continue to talk my stuff, man, and inspire y'all. And just know that everybody gonna make it through whatever you're going through, bro. If you got any questions or anything, leave them in the comments. If you want to join the Telegram, it's gonna be down in the comments. If you want to DM me privately, I don't be on IG that much. I deleted it, but I check it every once in a while. But just download the Telegram or the Discord and privately message me through there, man. So with that being said, man, I love y'all. Stay safe, stay disciplined, and stay blessed, man. I will catch y'all in the next video, man. Gang.